Hello everyone. Area 51 is synonymous with tales of UFOs, government cover-ups, and potentially testing alien technology. Located at Groom Lake in the middle of the barren desert of southern Nevada, Area 51 is a U.S. Air Force installation that has become infamous for a speculated connection with unidentified flying objects. Conspiracy theories surrounding the base suggest that it is used for the testing of alien technology, recovered from supposed crash sites, like the famous one in Roswell, New Mexico. This has been fueled by the fact that the base was a secret for many years and is still inaccessible to the general public. As a result, this innocuous-looking military installation has become an intrinsic part of the modern mythology and urban legends of the 20th century, with a large influence on media and pop culture. Area 51 is located 120 miles to 0 kilometers northwest of Las Vegas, near the small towns of Rachel and Hiko. The title Area 51 seems to come from the designation the base had on Atomic Energy Commission maps, with this name sticking in the mind of the public but mostly unused by the military. Established in 1955 as part of the Nevada Test and Training Range Complex, the area was also given the name Paradise Ranch in an attempt by aerospace company Lockheed Martin to draw employees to the base. Today, the base and the wider Nevada Test and Training Range Complex are part of the Nevada National Security Site, with the CIA referring to it as the Groom Lake and Homey Airport. Though satellite imagery of the site had been restricted, since 2018 the base has been visible on Google Maps. The base itself is fairly small, but the restricted area around it is over 90,000 acres, partly to prevent prying eyes and partly because they need to test classified aircraft. It's mostly conspiracy theorists and media who call it Area 51. To the U.S. government, it's simply the Nevada Test and Training Range, part of Edwards Air Force Base. The U.S. military finally acknowledged the existence of Area 51 in 2013 after a formerly classified CIA document detailing the history of the U-2 spy plane was obtained by the National Security Archive at George Washington University. But that acknowledgement doesn't mean that a visit to the base is advisable. There are still legitimate government and military reasons for keeping the base's activities secret. The military classifies Area 51 as a military operating area. On the ground, you'll encounter stern signs and armed guards patrolling the fenced perimeters guarded by buried motion sensors, cameras, guards, and so on, plus signs warning that deadly force is authorized. The borders of Area 51 are not fenced, but are marked with orange poles and warning signs. Such signs tell visitors that photos aren't allowed and that trespassing on the property will result in a fine. Originally used as a testing site for the U-2 spy plane, the base would go on to be used for the testing of other, well-known aircraft such as the Archangel 12, the Senior 71 Blackbird, and the F-117 Nighthawk stealth fighter. The testing of new and secretive military aircraft is likely responsible for much of the connection between Area 51 and UFOs, especially when considering that the term UFO doesn't directly refer to alien spacecraft, despite how it is often perceived in pop culture. It's true that strange lights and aircraft can sometimes be spotted in the area, so it's an obvious leap to UFOs, but of course, new aircraft might look identical. The basic, flawed premise behind the Area 51 mythology can be boiled down to this: the government won't reveal what's going on there, so it must be something ultra super amazingly secret. What we call Area 51 is only one of many military bases, national laboratories, and government scientific research centers across the country that deal with classified, even top-secret information, and where workers and visitors need security clearances. There's no reason to think that anything UFO-related is going on. Last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos like this one. Goodbye.